Hey everyone, I'm Sean from Pixel Packet Studio, and this is Devlog 3 for Reaper of the Undead. In this video I'll be showing some of the things I've been working on in the game. The first thing you'll probably notice is the stairs. These are scattered throughout the world and are entrances to dungeons, which I'll be calling underground bunkers from now on. People built these doomsday bunkers to survive the zombie apocalypse, but they weren't enough to stop the virus from getting in. There's now also a transition effect when entering and exiting bunkers. The game pauses as you enter and exit, so you don't need to worry about getting attacked while it's fading out. One of the major additions is the weapon generation system. It generates lots of different weapons on the fly, all with completely random stats. What I originally had in mind is that the stats would be completely random, and every weapon would be totally unique. This didn't really work because it would generate things like a shotgun that could shoot as fast as an SMG. It was difficult to balance, so I went with a more structured approach. When a weapon gets generated, it first gets assigned a weapon type, either an SMG, semi-auto, burst fire, assault rifle, sniper rifle, or shotgun. It would then assign random stats between two values based on the weapon type. This was still unbalanced because I couldn't control the overall power, so I added a damage per second value, which controls the maximum effectiveness of the weapon. That way I can choose how good it should be, while keeping it random. With this weapon system, each weapon type isn't any more powerful than other weapon types. Each weapon type has advantages and disadvantages based on the scenario you're in. For example, if you're surrounded on all sides, a shotgun would be better than a sniper. But if all enemies were lined up in front of you, the sniper would be more effective, and so on. In terms of damage output though, they are all equally balanced. Another addition I've made is the player health system. You can now get damaged and be killed. Right now when you die, it'll just reset the world, but in the full game, it'll show a summary screen with an option to retry or go back to the main menu. Lastly, I've added basic controller support. If I start using the controller, it will take control, and then if I start using the mouse again, it'll switch control back to the mouse. Implementing movement and shooting wasn't a problem, but aiming with the right stick required a bit of work. It still needs improving because aiming with the thumbstick is a lot harder than with the mouse. I plan on adding aim assist to make aiming with the controller more bearable. Also, the character keeps looking to the right if you're using controller, so I need to fix that too. That's all for this devlog. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Cheers, thanks for watching.